Hello guys, I'm going to tell you about the ingredient of pumpkin in coconut milk. First of all, the pumpkin. You need to choose the old one, not the young one, because the texture will be different. And for this ingredient, for this recipe, I use 250 grams after we cut the seed off and the skin off. Coconut milk, we need 500 ml. And coconut sugar, we will use 150 gram, or you can use 150 gram for brown sugar. And this one is red lime paste. I put in the water for 1 liter. So this step is about prepare the water for soak pumpkin. So I use about this much, 1 tablespoon, about 1 tablespoon, and stir it up in this water and leave it settle. So while we're waiting, I'm gonna prepare the pumpkin. Okay, I'm gonna prepare the pumpkin by removing seeds and the soft flesh next to the seed here. This bit. First of all, I'm gonna remove the skin. Cut the skin off as you can. So that will do. Then I'm gonna remove the seed and also the soft bit. Oops. Then cut in half. So I'm gonna cut about that big. About this big. The soft bit here, when the pumpkin cook, they won't be nice, so we need to cut it off. So next step is gonna slice into small pieces like French fry shape, like that. Okay, now you see this water get clearer than before. So next I'm gonna add this water to the pumpkin for 40 minutes or an hour, and then we'll see you in about an hour, okay? Okay, now is an hour already. So I strain the pumpkin and then we're gonna cook the pumpkin. 500 ml of coconut milk. Don't forget to turn gas on. Then add coconut sugar, 150 gram. And then we heat it up until the coconut melts. Now it's ready to add pumpkin. Keep stirring up, guys. So we will let it simmering for. Okay, we simmering for 10 to 15 minutes already, and it's nearly cooked. So I'm gonna add some more half a cup of coconut milk to make it more creamy. Stir it up to go together. That's it.